Hello friends, today we are going to discuss on the writing skill. As we know, in 10th standard and 12th standard we have written essay as well as short note and summary also. Here we are going to see the chapter called letter writing, report writing and blog writing. As we know, in communication there are two kinds of communication, that is a verbal and non-verbal communication. We can be classified verbal communication into two, that is oral and written communication. In written communication we have different kinds such as letter writing, report writing, and recently new format has come here, that is a blog writing. Let's see how to write blog and what are the contents and features of blog writing. Let us see writing blogs. The term blog is shortened version of weblog. I will repeat. The term blog is a shortened version of weblog, that is known as a blog. A blog is website with material that discusses specific topics or providing information on given topics. Blog entries are usually characterized by their informal language and presentation. In blog, it is using informal language and its presentation, often in the style of journals and diary entries. Posts in a blog are usually written by an author presenting her or his personal and individual views on topics or sharing experiences or information. It is a very simple way to write a blog, that is to express your own thought on particular topic. Let's see. However, multi-author blogs, MABs, that is known as MAB means multi-author blogs, where contribution from multiple writers are presented and curated by editors are also prevalent. Many newspapers, think tanks, NGOs, and media houses use such MABs to present their content to wider readership. So let's see another paragraph. Writing and publishing blogs or blogging is an effective social networking tool. Remember, writing and publishing blogs or blogging is an effective social networking tool. It helps individuals share their views to a wide readership and also interact with these readers through their comments and responses. This is very important to the writer or author. If the reader will provide comment or their interaction on particular topic, the writer will improve himself or herself in future. Let's see. The topics that can feature in such blogs can vary widely from films, sports, politics to spirituality and religion. There is no any restriction to write a blog. So whatever the writer or author will think to write on particular topic, he may be free. He or she will write on any topic and it will share to the reader and reader will also comment on it. There are high readership blogs dedicated to specific topics such as cookery, travel, book reviews, etc. These are the popular specific topic of blog writing, that is a cookery, travel, book reviews, etc. There are also celebrity blogs that are favorites among the readers, where celebrities and stars interact with their fans and promote their work. That is a new era, and in this technique savvy world, we are going to accept the technology. We know better. In this pandemic situation, we have accepted number of things, number of technical things. We have overcome on technical jargons or technical issues. Let's see, there is an example of how to write a blog. Let's see. Here is an example of a blog. Feeling crabby.